Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check if your OctaFX account is verified in just a few simple steps. First, log into your OctaFX account on the website or mobile app. Once you're in, go to the Profile or Account Settings section. Here, look for the Verification Status or KYC Status tab. If your account is verified, you'll see a verified badge or confirmation message. If it's not verified yet, you'll see pending or not verified. In that case, make sure you've uploaded all the required documents like your ID, proof of address, and any additional verification files requested by OctaFX. Once all documents are approved, your status will automatically update to verified, and you'll be able to enjoy full access to all trading features. And that's it. Checking your verification status on OctaFX is quick and easy. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more OctaFX tips and tutorials.